Okay, write a program to print n numbers in Fibonacci series. This program try to do this one. So you need to initialize the number, because 1, 0 and 1 are not Fibonacci. Okay, so that's why you need to initialize 0 and 1 first. So like this, int n1 is equal to 0, int n2 is equal to 1, and write if condition there. If any one of these two numbers, then it is not a Fibonacci series. Suppose we have only so just print 0 or 1. If they have given only 0, if they have given 0 or 1, so then you need to print only those numbers. So that's why you need to initialize 0 and 1. You can initialize n3, I, and count. Count is equal to here 10. Are you getting? Now you need to write for loop. For loop, where we need to start?
After the initializing.
No, from which number we need to start the I value?
0.
0 and 1 already we have declared, right? Int n1 is equal to 0, int n2 is equal to 1. So this is index 0, index 1. Let us first two values we already initialized.
Okay.
Okay.
So I
is equal to 2. Right?
Sir.
So I less than count I plus plus. So here what you're going to write to store the value in n3. We need to store the values in n3. So n3 is equal to
n3 plus I.
So Fibonacci series, what are the values? Fibonacci values, what are the values?
2, 3, 5, 8.
Okay. So if you want to print n from 1, so n1 plus n2, 1, 3, 5, right? It will start from 1, 1. So if you print n1 plus n2, so it will print it. The n1, n3 value will be stored in what value will be stored in n3 now?
1.
So we'll print system dot out dot print n3. Then what we need to do? Next we need to add second and third value. Right? First we have added 0 plus 1. We got 1. Then next we need to add 1 plus 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus 2. So what you need to assign for n1 now?
n3
is equal to n2. So here n1 plus n2, right? This won't change. This n1 plus n2 won't change, right? That will be the common. So what we are storing n2 value. What is the n2 value?
N2 value is 1.
1. So I'm storing n2 in n1. Okay, 1 value in n1. Okay. Then in n2, what we need to store?
N3.
Right? What is the N3 value?
2.
N3 value.
Sorry, 1. 1,
One.
1, 1.
We also
So now can you loop it? So what happened? N3 is 1, N1 is 1. So we have stored N1, N2, 1 and 1 now, right? So I will be implemented. Now N3 value will be what will be the N3 value now? After incrementing I.
2.
Yeah, 2. Because N1 is 1, N2 is 1, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that will be added. N2 value will be, N3 value will be 2. First N2 value, N3 value is 1, it will print 1. Then it will print 2, right? It will come and store the N2 value. What is the N2 value now?
1.
1. What is the N3 value?
1.
2.
2.
Right? So N1, N2, what happens now? N3 value after incrementing.
Increment.
It will become
So now N1 value is 1 and N2 value is 2, right? So it will go and increment. This will check the condition because we had given count is equal to 10. So 1 plus 2, right? It will print 3. Then what is the N2 value now?
N2 value will be 2.
Yeah, 2. N3 value?
It is 3.
3. So what happens N3 value? It will become 5, right? So it will loop on and increments and prints first 10 numbers. Print first 10 numbers. Okay. Can you try to write the program?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next program, write a program to print. What is meant by palindrome? Do you know about palindrome? What is meant by palindrome?
No, sir.
Nikunj, can you able to follow Nikunj? Serval Nikunj.
Yeah, I'm here. I understand.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Let me know Nikunj if you can't able to follow. Okay.
Yeah.
So palindrome means if you reverse the number, then it should be same. Okay. If you reverse any number, then that number should be same. So suppose 454. If you reverse this number, what happens? The same number, right?
Ashok.
So that is palindrome. If you take a string, okay, if you reverse the string, then it should be same. Okay, like this. So MADAM is same, right? If you reverse the string, it will be the same. So this is palindrome. Okay. So you need to now we check only for numbers because we didn't discuss about the strings. Leave it about the palindrome for strings. We need to write a program to check whether the given number is a palindrome or not. If we reverse the string, if we reverse the number, then if it is same, then that will call it as a palindrome. If it is not, if once we reverse the number, then if it is not matching, then it is not a palindrome. So I need to check. I need to check whether the given number is a palindrome or not. How you're gonna do? Any idea?
We can get each we can get the number in another variable and we can check with that.
Yeah. How you're gonna get this number? How you're gonna reverse the thing first? How you're gonna reverse the number first? If you reverse the number, whatever the number we have 454, okay, we need to reverse it and store it in some variable. Okay, and compare both are same.
Same.
Okay, suppose int n is equal to, I have given int n is equal to 454. Now I need to reverse this number and store it somewhere. I store int s is equal to 454. Okay, I'll write a condition. If n is equal to yes, then it is a palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. So how you are going to reverse this number? That is the main thing, right? We have a reverse method we can do directly, but if I don't want to use the reverse method, then we need to use while or for something like that. So can you write a program by using a for or while? Which one we
While, sir.
okay, while what condition you're gonna put?
Just variable compare.
Sorry, Aruna.
Like why that particular variable is greater than 0.
Okay. So while into the number n, right? We have declared int n is equal to 454. We need to check whether this n is greater than 0. Okay, if n is 0, then we can't reverse, right?
Yes.
Now, how we can get the remainder?
Like
By
divide.
using module or by divided by
Divide.
remainder. Not
Divide,
push.
sir. If you want to get remainder, we have to divide.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Suppose let us assume that you have int r is equal to remainder. I want to get the remainder. 10 divided by n module 10.
Sorry, n module 3. If countable, how many numbers? Average you are asking, sir?
Get remainder. So here I'm going to get the remainder of the number by dividing with 10. Okay. So what happens if I divide 454 by divided by 10 module 10, what I'll get it?
45.4.
I don't want in points. I ask the remainder.
Why we are taking 10 only? Can we take any other number or not?
Yeah, just give me the remainder. I'll tell you.
4, sir.
4. So to get last number, we are dividing with 10. Okay. Suppose if I say 457, what will be the remainder?
7.
7. Okay, we'll get 7, right? So what I'll do, I'll keep this number in sum. Sum is equal to sum into 10. Okay, plus r. What will give this number? What will give the result now?
70 plus sorry, sum
What
equal
is
to
sum value?
now the sum value is 0, sir.
Yeah,
Initially
initially we declare sum as 0. Okay?
the sum value is 7.
Is equal to 0. So sum value will be 7.
7.
So we are storing the first value in 7. Okay. Next, now loop will be incremented, right?
Yes, sir.
So here I'll write n by 10 is equal to n by 10. What happens this one?
Four 50.
What will give the result of n by 10? N by 10, not n divided by 10, not n module 10.
40.
N divided by 10. What is the quotient of this number?
Quotient 45, sir.
45. So what will be the value of n now after removing 7? 45, right?
45.
Okay, n value will be changed to 45 now. Now it will go on increment and check the condition n is greater than 0 or not. It is 0, then it will come. What is the value of n? 45. 45 divided by module 10, what will be the value?
5.
5. What is the sum value?
Sorry, here already sum value is 7. So 7 plus 5 it will change, no?
Hmm.
So 7 plus 5 12. Oh, sorry. 7 into
75.
10 70 75, sir. 75.
Okay. Is that correct, everyone?
Yeah, it is correct, but
Hmm.
we have to take 10 every time.
Every time 10.
We can't take any other number, right?
No. Because we want to get the reminder. First, we need to get the reminder. Then we are multiplying. Whatever 10 we are divided, we are multiplying with that 10 only to get the value. Okay. So we are dividing this 10 again because to get the number after removing the last number.
Okay.
So what happens now? What is the n value now? Forty-five by 10.
4. 4.
4. N is greater than 0. N is greater than 0, right? 4. N is
Yes.
4. 4 is greater than 0, correct? R is equal to, what is the value of 4? What is the value of n? 4, right? 4 module 10. What is the
4.
remainder? What is the remainder? 4. Okay. So here 4. Now what will be the sum into 10? What is the sum value?
Sir, for this, if n module 10, it will not come in floating point. How it will be 4, sir, or equal to?
Sorry. Again.
If n module 10 means it is. Oh,
Reminder.
N is 4, right?
n is 4. Yes, sir. 4 module 10 means how it will divide it, sir. Only we don't want decimal point, na?
So
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you just
Explain
want,
that, sir. I'm little bit confused in that.
here we are dividing 4. Okay. with 10, right?
Yes, sir.
We need to get the remainder. We add point. What happens? It will
0.
become 48.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 fours.
40 it becomes 0.
Yeah, remainder will become 0, right? So 1 second. We need to get the remainder 4. How to divide module? Module of 4 module 10. How we are going to do? Okay, let me check in Google. Okay. So as module answer is answer to 4. Module 10 is 4. So answer will be 4. How they have divided 4 by 10. 0.4 it will come, but we don't want the remainder, right? So we don't want it in points. 10 mod 4 mod 10. Where it has given the answer. It will be 4. Answer will be 4 definitely. Okay. Module method and answer is 4. How we are going to do? I'm not getting all my also. So we'll add 0. What happens now?
0.
0. What will be the value of
Remainder 4.
remainder? 4?
4.
Like this.
Okay, sir.
So it will become 4, 754. R will be 754 now, right? Sum will be
75.
75. 75 into 10.
750 plus 4.
R. What is the value of R? 4.
So 754.
50 plus 4, 754. So it will now we got n is equal to, what is the n value now? 4 by n is 4 only, right? 4 by
No,
10.
sir. It will be 0 quotient.
0 quotient, yeah.
Yeah.
So 0. So n 0 is greater than 0, wrong. So it will exit. Now after that we need to write if condition. So if what is the value of what values we need to compare here?
N equal to S. Sorry. N equal to some. Sorry, sir.
Equal to
Some.
if the condition is true, then it is a palindrome. We need to print and else print not palindrome. Any doubt? We need to divide with 10 only to get the to remove the last value. Okay. So we are doing module. So that will, after dividing it, we get only 45. Right? We get 7. We get 7. We get 7 to get the last value. So we are moduling with 10. Then we are multiplying with 10. Then we are adding the value of R. Okay. So initially we are declaring sum is equal to 0. Okay. And n is equal to the value, whatever the value that is given. Everyone understood this one? Nikunj? Sarvin?
Yeah. Then we are dividing it with 10 only, right? Multiplying with 10 and dividing with 10 only.
Yeah, everything 10. So palindrome means we need to, first we need to get the value. We need to divide the value with that, we module the value with 10. Then we'll get the last number. Okay, that number will be multiplied with sum. Sum initially will be taking the value sum is equal to 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus R value is 7. So that then in sum it will be stored 7 first. Then n is equal to, we divide with 457 divided by 10. So it will give the quotient. It will give 45. So this is the logic that we need to remember if they ask you to write a program to print the palindrome for number.
Okay.
Are you okay? Can I move to next one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is matrix? So how you're gonna declare the 3-dimensional array or 2-dimensional array? If you are declaring 2-dimensional array like this, we are gonna do, right? If it is a 3-dimensional array.
In that if condition will come before while or after while, sir?
After while.
After while. If I put the output was not coming this way, I'm asking. If I put 454, but it is telling it is not palindrome. Shall I share the screen, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Sum is equal to n.
Sum equal to sum into 10 plus r.
No. If sum is equal to n, can you do? If sum is equal to n, I don't think so. It should be the difference. Okay. What will be the value? What is the value? Can you print sum here? After
Yes, sir.
yeah. Only print sum. No.
This one you are asking, sir?
No. Leave it there. It's a palindrome. Okay. Okay. Can you print after a while? Can you print the sum value? Yeah. Print S out. Yeah. Sum. Okay. Can you run now? Yeah. 454. It's coming correct only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We need to declare, I think we need to, because the n value will be become 0, right? Finally, n will be 0, right? So
Yes,
can
sir.
you Yeah, can you declare before while can you declare temp is equal to n?
Before while.
Yeah, temp is equal to n. So then value will be stored in temp int. Okay, now temp is equal to n. Okay, sorry, n.
Oh, n is okay.
Because n we are dividing that, n value will be 0 finally. So that actual n value we are storing it in temp and we are comparing temp with sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Well, you guys understood what I told you now, because why we have declared int temp is equal to n, because we are storing the actual value of n in temp, because we are dividing n with 10, right? Finally the n value will be 0 in the while loop, so that value n will be 0, so that's why it won't match if you compare with n and sum. So that's why I'm storing the actual value in temp and I'm comparing temp is equal to the final sum. Okay, so that's it. So next we go for matrix. We write one program in matrix, then we go for strings. Okay, so I want to write a program to subtract the two matrices. Okay, so I'll take an example of example of three-dimensional matrix. Okay, three-dimensional array.
Share the
Is equal-
screen, sir.
uh, so I'm gonna declare three-dimensional array. So what happens? How we are gonna declare three-dimensional array?
IJT.
So this is the way of declaration of three-dimensional array. Okay. So here, if I give 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3. This is one matrix, one three-dimensional matrix, three-dimensional array, and I'll take one more three-dimensional array, int b equal to are you clear why I'm declaring this? If you declare only one, then it is one-dimensional. If you declare two, then it is two-dimensional. Okay. If you declare three, it is three-dimensional array. Are you clear with this, right? Are you okay with this, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Normally, how we are going to initialize
Yes,
the
sir.
array directly? Nikunj, Shervil, are you okay with this?
Yeah. Normally we put int a is equal to 4, 5, 6, something like that.
Yeah. So now I'm declaring three-dimensional. So I'm passing three square brackets, three flower
We are
brackets.
we are doing the same or different program matrix, right?
Matrix, yeah. 1, 1. So what I need to do, I want to subtract from this dimension, this array to this array. Okay. What will be the result of this one if you subtract these two matrices?
First one will be 2, 5.
1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1.
Okay. So how you are going to do logic? Can you tell me the logic? Can you tell me how you are doing?
4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 0 plus 4 minus 3.
Okay.
First,
4 minus 2. What is the value?
4 minus 2 is 2.
Okay.
Then plus 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is minus 4. So 2 minus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Sorry. Minus 1, sir. Maybe I don't know exactly.
Okay.
6. Yeah, 1 minute, sir. I will check and I will tell the answer.
No, everyone has to know how we are doing matrix minus for matrix.
Sir, we have to multiply and minus. I forgot. 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 zeros are 0 minus 4 minus 3, 12. Answer is minus 4. Exactly, I don't know.
So this is the first matrix. Suppose if it is a one-dimensional matrix, how? Sorry, I don't want to. See, small class students we are doing now. Okay, this is the three-dimensional matrix, right? So A minus B, what will be? See the result. How it will be? A111, A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A13 minus B1. Okay, A21 minus B21, A22 minus BT2, A23 minus B23. Okay, A31 minus B31, A32 minus B32, A33 minus B33. Okay, this is the subtraction of the matrix. Okay, so now this is so what happens now? Can you tell me now?
2, 5,
3,
2,
2, 5, 2.
2, 5, 3.
First one is 2, 5,
3.
3. Next one?
1, 1, 0.
1, 1, 1, 0.
1, 0. Next one?
0, 1,
0,
1.
1, 1.
I've understood, Serval Nikunj.
Yes, sir.
4
Yes,
minus
yes.
2, 5 minus 0, 6 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Okay,
Yeah.
this should be the output. So you got the logic now. So what you're going to do first? This is normal subtraction of the matrix, three-dimensional matrix. Now we need to calculate the number of rows and the number of columns present in a given matrix. How to find the number of rows? A dot length. Okay. So because yes, we are getting the rows length by using A dot length of an array A. How to get the columns? Columns length.
E dot.
Columns length of A. So we are going to get, so a dot length means it will come, it will get like how many rows? 1, 2, 3, right? How we are going to get the rows length? 1, 2, 3. These are the rows, right? 1, 2, 3. Is it correct?
Here, the A of 0 means it will define the whole matrix, whole one dimension, sir, one value.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6 is A0.
Yeah, A of 0 is this one.
Oh, okay.
A of 1 is this one. A of 2 is this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this will be a dot length. Now columns length, to get the columns length, A of zeros length. If you get A of zeros length, that is the columns length, right? Columns are this one. Horizontal is rows, vertical is columns, right?
Yes, sir.
So to get the columns length, we need to get the rows length first. Then we need to, so now once we get the length, we need to hold a value, difference value in one of the variable. So what I do, I'll declare a variable int difference, okay, is equal to new give me 1 second. I think we are doing something wrong. It will become 2-dimensional and not 3-dimensional. Okay, I'll tell this program tomorrow. Okay, don't worry about it now. So we'll go to strings now. Sorry. So this is a bit confusing now. So I'll explain you tomorrow. We'll start with strings. What is meant by string? We have discussed about literals, right? Is it a string is a literal or not? Okay, someone has to go on mute.
Strings are objects.
Strings are object. String is a class or object?
Yes. Yes, sir.
String is a object or class?
Object. So,
Class.
Yeah, string is a predefined class. So if you want to declare an object, if you want to declare an object of a string, how you are going to do? So string is a class, but we can even create an object by using the new keyword. Okay. So suppose if I declare char ch is equal to one. So I'll declare how you are going to declare an character.
In single quotes.
So this is the char I had declared. So if you want to declare a string, yes, if you want to create an object, how you going to do? Equal to new string. So I'm creating an object of string s, right? So if I pass like this, what happens?
it will not accept.
It will
Should be
s equal to
double.
aspire. It will come, sir. String s equal to aspire.
Is it going to print or not?
String should be in double quotes.
Yeah. So whatever the char that we have declared here will be converted into string if you give like this. So what happens is same as string. It will be the same as string s is equal to both are same. So Java string is a class. Let's forget about this one. We'll commit later. String is a class, predefined class, as we already told. Like string is a predefined class where we are giving public static void main method string args, right? String is a predefined class. Okay. So we have different methods to perform the strings. String is a predefined class. We have different methods to perform operations on strings. So what all the methods that we have? Length. This is a length method where we can get the length of a string. Okay. Replace is one method where we can replace any string with substring with the other substring or character, anything we can. Compare to is one more method to compare substring is one method.
What is mean by substring, sir?
So suppose aspire high. So see, so if you want to get a substring of this whole thing, so this will be the substring of aspire high, like that. This is a
Okay,
whole
sir.
string. If you
How
want to
you
get
see substring?
substring, if you want to get the substring, then we can
Okay.
get it like that. Okay.
Okay.
So like this, we have different methods. So if you want to convert char to string, then we need to use the new keyword s is equal to new string, and we need to pass the character. So character will be converted into string. Okay. So one second, give me 1 second. Okay. So if now we can get it substring. So if you want to get string, substring of int begin index, comma, int end index. It returns the substring for the given index. So suppose aspire high. Okay, substring. So I want to get the star. I want to get high. What is the index of h? What is the index of h? Index
And
value?
and index. H is an end.
8.
1, 2,
8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
8. Okay, 7 or 8, something. Okay,
How
so
it is
what is
8?
the last index? Starts with 0, right?
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
7. What is the end index? This one, this h?
10.
We need to pass 10. So
10.
we need to pass like this. So it will print substring. We are getting the substring of a string. Equal to aspire high. So if you want to get a substring, then we need to use the index, start of the index and end of the index. From where to where we need to get it. Okay, that way we can use the substring. What is the use of string format? What is the use of length?
It
Replace
will
what is the use of
calculate the length.
it will calculate the length. So if you want to use if you want to reverse the string, or if you want to get the length of the string, or if you want to do something, we need to know the length of the string, right? If you want to reverse the string also, we need to know the length of the string. What is the purpose of replace?
We can replace any to from aspire to we can change some other name like that. Can replace this.
Replace. So compare to
We can compare one string with the other string
other.
value.
Okay. Uh, uh, can we? What is the purpose of char at? Have you heard about the caret?
No. Oh. Caret.
This is the syntax of caret. So it returns the char value for the particular index. So suppose if I say I want to, this is a string s is equal to as per height. Then if I want to get the char of p in the as per, what is the value that we need to pass?
Caret 2.
Yeah, caret 2. If it will return the value of p. So we have different methods like to convert to lowercase to uppercase. Okay, that is also there. Lowercase, uppercase to lowercase method to uppercase. String ignore case. If you want ignore, equals ignore case. So equals ignore case. These are the some of the methods that we have in strings. Okay, we start string trim. Trim is the one method. Okay, we start using these one by one by writing small programs. So I have given string s is equal to as per here, right? Let's take this. Sorry, Arna, your voice is breaking.
Why? What is the purpose of using trim?
What is the purpose of using
Trim method.
trim? So suppose we have a space after this one. Okay, like this. We have space before and after.
Okay.
Okay. So when we get something, when we are automating the value, something we are getting this substring. Okay. I'm getting the value of this header. Suppose Baiju's header or something header I'm getting. Let us go here. I want to get the value of this Google search. I want to bring the Google search value. Okay. And compare it whether Google search is present or not. So first what I'll do, I'll get the text of this one, Google search. Okay. And I need to compare with the Google search. So when I get the Google search, when I get the text of Google search, okay, I got the Google search and I have stored it in a string. Okay. I know the value should be, but when I got it by using the Selenium, if I get like this Google search, okay, there is a space after search. Then when I try to compare it, because I know the value should be Google search. Okay, I'm gonna assert this value. I'll tell you about assert compare. Suppose compare, I'm doing compare with this one with this one. So if I compare this one, is it gonna match?
No, it will not.
It will not match because there is a space, extra space here. So that's why I'll use a trim keyword when I'm trying to get the text value of this. So this value, this free spaces will be removed at the end or in the beginning.
Okay.
So that will avoid the failure of our test. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. So I'll discuss all of them. I'll give one example for each of these methods. Okay, so now I got the string s. So if you want to get the length of the string, s dot length. So it will give the length of the string. Okay, it will give the length of the string. So if I want to get the, if I want to replace, next method is replace. How we are going to use replace?
S dot replace, sir.
Okay,
Replace in that bracket we have to give what the value we have to replace.
replace, right? So replace. So replace. We need to give the character old, comma character new. So this will be the syntax. Okay. So whatever. So if I want to replace in s dot replace. So I want to replace s with capital S. Okay. So we need to pass the value what exactly we need to replace and what exactly we need to replace with the old value with the new value. So this is the replace. It replaces all occurrences of the character value. Suppose s is present in 10 times, like I have s again, I have s at here, like this. Then all the s's will be replaced with capital S. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's time, right? Okay, so we'll discuss tomorrow.
Sir, yesterday on last class you give one program to second smallest number.
Yeah. Have done?
Yeah, sir. Shall I share my screen, sir?
Yeah.
Just I comparing if it is greater smaller, first we are sorting. No, if you are smaller, then just I print that number. It is correct, sir.
If it is array of I less than array of I dot length, yeah, that's fine. That is correct only.
Okay, sir.
Because we are sorting out, right? So I'll
Yes,
discuss a different method also tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.